However, nakalagay po yung pangalan ko po dyan as representative, but I did not sign any documents po.
Would you know kung sino ang naglagay ng pangalan mo?
Your Honor, I have no idea.
You have no idea. Next, Ms. Alice, February 11, 2021, you executed a lease. Perhaps this is over the property of Baofu with Hongsheng, and during that time, Hongsheng is represented by Telma Laranan. Do you confirm this?
Your Honor, regarding Baofu, I invoked my right against self-incrimination po.
Third, Ms. Alice, early 2023, Hongsheng was raided because of cybercrime. And one of your fellow incorporators in Baofu, which kanina sabi mo, doon mo transfer yung lupa mo sa Bamban. One of your fellow incorporators, Zhang Wang, nakasuhan ng cybercrime. Do you confirm this?
Your Honor, hindi ko kinong-confirm. I have no idea nakasuhan po siya ng cyber.
And after ma-raid itong Hongsheng, Zunyuan Technology applied for a business permit on the same address, on the same location. You were the mayor, you issued the permit. Do you confirm?
Ma'am, I issued the permit with the attachment of PAGCAR license.
I understand. But what is apparent, Mr. Chair, well, there is a document where Alice Goo is described as representative of Hongsheng back in September 16, 2020. This is the first POGO operator. It was followed by a contract of lease signed by Alice Goo with Hongsheng. And then this was followed by the raid of Hongsheng, which was replaced by Zunyuan, which Alice Goo provided a business permit in her capacity as a mayor. I wish to share to the committee the doctrine of piercing the veil of corporate entity, because it is very clear, Mr. Chair, Hongsheng, Alice Goo, Baofu, and Zunyuan are one and the same. Mr. Chair, I'm about to wind up, but I have few questions left. Can we please show the last slide of two personalities with last name Yang? Secretariat, please. Alice, kilala mo ba to?
Your Honor, hindi po.
Can we flash the next picture? How about this picture?
Your Honor, hindi po. Hindi ko rin po nakita, hindi ko po siya kilala.
The first picture is Michael Yang, and the second picture is Hong Zhang Yang. My question for you, bakit may joint account si Hong Zhang Yang, kapatid ni Michael Yang, at si Yu Zhengkan, na manager ng Hongsheng?
Your Honor, hindi ko po alam yun.
To wind up, Mr. Chair, I wish to make a very short manifestation. This representation might sound repetitive already, but it is apparent that this long chain of perpetration of the crime started with the abuse in the late registration of birth. Ms. Alice Goo was able to procure a birth certificate from the Philippines and even the Philippine passport, which paved the avenue for her to run to a public office. I urge the House, let us strengthen our rules, because if the loose rules on Filipino citizenship, including the rights attached to it, which must be exclusive to Filipino nationals, then we will be at the behest of the perpetrators of illegal activity. To add, Mr. Chair, the fictitious birth certificate even paved way to solicit identification cards from different government offices. That includes the DFA, the BIR, the LTO, and the similar government offices, Mr. Chair. Second, Mr. Chair, the layering by way of registration of various documents, making it appear that they are legit corporation, makes it harder for the Philippine government to verify and even monitor the illegal activities of these foreign nationals, Mr. Chair. So I wish to suggest that we install a monitoring system with the SEC. We wish to recommend to the SEC that they install a monitoring system to make sure that the application for registration is legit, the operation is genuine, and the location is indeed existing. Third, Mr. Chair, illegal activities and illegal POGOs will not proliferate if they are not able to transfer money. So, I humbly suggest as well, Mr. Chair, that we tighten our rules on anti-money laundering. Hindi po sila makakapag-perpetrate ng illegal activities if there are no funds which will fuel their illegal activities. I submit, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congresswoman Luistro.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Senior Deputy Speaker Gonzales.
Mr. Chair, Ma'am Alice, biyasa kang Kapampangan?
Di taklamo po.
Mga niyan, pila na kang banwa ngayon eh?
Konti lang po, konti lang po.
Ha?
Konti lang po.
Tinatanong ko kung marunong Kapampangan.
Marunong magkapampangan.
Marunong mga Kapampangan. Noong nangangampanya ka, Kapampangan yung ginagamit mo. Kasi Kapampangan yung mga taga-Bamban.
Opo, may Tagalog din po, Mr. Chair. Tagalog po yung ginagamit ko po nung nangangampanya po, Mr. Chair.
Ilang taong ka nung naging mayor ka?
36 po.
Ninong pepatagal kaya ka mayor?
2 years.
O ninong pepatagal kaya kang mayor?
2 terms.
Sino nagpahabol sa'yo ng mayor?
Wala naman po nagpahabol po sa akin ng mayor. One is yung childhood dream ko po. Second po, yung former po namin na mayor, si former mayor po namin doon sa Bamban, na graduating po.
Nakalasalamat, Alice. Nakalasalamat.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Congressman Gonzales. The next to interpolate is Congresswoman Migs Nograles. No,
Mr. Chair, can I just get a point of clarification before, with all due respect to Congresswoman Nograles, of course. Just very quickly lang. Ma'am Alice, kanina po may pinakitang picture sa inyo si Congresswoman Luistro kung saan sinabi ninyo binabati po ng Chinese community yung tatay po ninyo. Tama po ba yon?
Opo, doon sa, nakalagay din po yung pangalan ko po doon, Your Honor.
Oo. Ang hindi ko lang po masyadong maintindihan, bakit binabati po yung tatay nyo doon sa poster? Ano po, kasi I don't understand Chinese. What was the reason why they were greeting your father?
Your Honor, hindi rin po ako masyado sure doon sa mga nakalagay. I think it's better po na kuha na lang po tayo ng isang translator po para doon talaga. Kasi andun din po yung name ko po, ang understanding ko po dyan. Kina-congratulate po niya ako, yung tatay ko, kasi everyone knows naman po yung dad ko po is a Chinese.
So kung kinocongratulate ikaw at saka yung tatay mo, bakit picture mo lang po yung nandun sa poster?
Your Honor, I have no idea po. Hindi po ako po yung nagpa-publish po.
Okay.